Do not put solar panels on your house if you don't plan on living there forever. I know that's harsh to hear, but today on Sit Down with Sandy, I'm going to tell you why. So often we get opportunities to list houses and they have just put on these beautiful $60,000 to $80,000 solar panels. People are so excited that they're saving all this money on their electric bill, but what they fail to realize is now they have a solar panel payment. This payment sometimes is even higher than what their electric bills even were in the first place. And I understand there's a sales pitch and I understand these are super exciting, but I just want to give you a word of caution. Usually these solar panel loans are like 10-year loans. That's when you get to pay off the solar panels and truly reap the benefits of having virtually free electricity. However, if you are planning to move in the next 2, 5, 6 years, maybe you're not even planning to move at the time, make sure you know that these solar panels could come and shut you down later in the transaction. And what do I mean by that? If you're looking to sell your home, you need to sell your home, and you still have a payment on your solar panels, you probably have some financing with the solar panel company. Well, that solar panel company takes that loan and actually applies it as a lien against the title of your home, also known as like a mechanic's lien. So when you go to sell your house and the title company runs a title search just to make sure there's no liens on your property, typically other than your home mortgage, those liens technically need to be paid off in full and cleared from your title commitment in order for you to sell the home. Now, that poses a problem. We can see maybe you don't have $50,000 to pay off your solar panels just to sell your home. So there still are options. So if you've made this choice and you're going to sell, consider these few things. Option number one, obviously, pay off the solar panels, done. Sell your house, off you go. The second option is to have the possibility of transferring the loan from the solar panel company to the buyer. So they basically are just assuming the loan of the solar panels and they will just take over your payments once you transfer that loan. However, some title companies don't allow that. Some loans with solar panel companies aren't going to allow that either. Therefore, you're going to be in a super hot situation when you can't sell your home because of this solar panel investment. The other option you would have is to negotiate these. Sometimes buyers understand there is going to be a great value for them in these solar panels because maybe this is their forever home. There's often times that you can split the cost, maybe come up with a negotiation to make it happen. But truth be told, appraisers really don't give a ton of value to solar panels. Similar to like a swimming pool. You can spend $60,000 plus Lord knows how much on a swimming pool, but at the end of the day, the value of that beautiful pool is probably $9,000, $12,000, maybe $20,000. There's a huge loss. Solar panels act the same way. So be careful if you're going to install solar panels that they may not get your full value back. You will not be able to just add what you owe on the solar panels to the price of the home. The appraiser will not give you value there. So as you can see, this is a huge decision to make. Solar panels can be excellent in the perfect situation, but don't fall into the sales pitches if you know you are going to be moving. Last word of advice, before you do anything to your home that's very big investments such as solar panels or a pool, please reach out to your local realtor. We know the market, we know how these things are valued, and we know how best to guide you to make the best investment in your home after all. Okay.